Question number 23. A student is investigating two electromagnetic waves X and Y in a vacuum. Vacuum X has a wavelength. Sorry, wave X has a wavelength lambda, and wave Y has a frequency. Wavelength is given separately, frequency is given separately for a Y wave. Okay. Which principal regions of the electromagnetic spectrum contains X and Y? See, this lambda, I can write this as 520 nanometer. Now you see, this 520 nanometer lies between 400 to 700 nanometers, right? So as a result of it, which region is this? This region is nothing but visible region. So therefore, this goes away, this goes away. Wow, this also goes away. So it should be only C, nothing else. Okay. If you want to cross verify this also, you can do it. Microwave, for example, I didn't start the timer. Okay. So microwave, for example, will always lie between 1 millimeter to 1 meter. Okay, will be the wavelength. If you want to verify this, 9.4 gigahertz is what? You can find out the value of lambda is equal to C divided by 9.4 into 10 to the power of 9, which is nothing but, let me calculate, 3 into 10 to the power of 8 divided by 9.4 into 10 to the power of 9, which should now be equal to 3 divided by 9.4 is equal to 0.31. 0.31 into 10 to the power of what is this? 8 and 9, this should be minus 1 here. Minus 1 here, right? Minus 1. So which should now be equal to 0.032 meters, which is nothing but 3.2 centimeter. Now 3.2 centimeter lies within this range. So therefore it is microwave. So this, you see, C is the right answer. You choose only one of them, okay? So easily you can find out. Next. Question number 24.